Casey Lynn Sabota, you amazing woman. That's
You are the calm, cool antidote to my nervous heart. You bring so much ease and patience to my world most of the time. And nothing makes me feel safer and more myself than being with you. I vow to practice patience, kindness, and understanding, and to remember we're on the same team. Confident that with you, I will always be laughing, even if it's at you sometimes.
Are you breathing down my neck?
Yes, barely breathing.
I don't know about this.
What do you think?
Oh my God. Your comfort in disappointment, your strength in times of need, and your partner in all things good and bad, for all days and every day. I love you.
I can't wait to see where life leads us, embracing the unpredictable while creating new memories and traditions with my soulmate. I love you.
Like a light storm to be yours, finding freedom in the downpour.
Casey and Ahad and my elder daughter Vishnuma and Ben got married around the same time, within a month of each other, and they now have a kid, so you know.
So with the honor that you bestowed in me, you may kiss.
That was great. Dan was so good.
Your vows.
You liked it? Turn around.